Did you know that experts predict AI could automate or replace up to 300 million full-time jobs worldwide? That sounds scary, right? But what if I told you that for every job it replaces, it creates new opportunities to build wealth from the comfort of your home, even if you have zero tech skills? Forget everything you thought you knew about making money online. Today, I'm revealing 5 genius, beginner-friendly ways to start your own AI-powered business, and you can start today. Stick around because the last one is so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it first. First up, let's talk about becoming an AI-powered content creator. Businesses, big and small, are desperate for high-quality content, blog posts, social media updates, articles, you name it. They used to pay writers a fortune. Now, you can use AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copy AI to generate incredible drafts in seconds. Your job isn't to just copy and paste. You become the editor, the strategist, the human touch. You'll take the AI's output, refine it, add your unique voice, and deliver a premium product in a fraction of the time. Imagine charging a client for 5 articles and having the AI draft them all in under an hour. That's not just working smarter, it's a license to print money. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and start building your content empire right now. Next, method number 2, AI-generated art and design. You've probably seen those stunning, mind-bending images all over social media. What if you could create and sell them? With tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, you can turn simple text prompts into breathtaking digital art. You don't need to be Picasso. Just describe what you want to see, a futuristic cityscape at sunset in the style of Van Gogh, and the AI does the heavy lifting. So how do you monetize this? You can sell your designs as digital prints on Etsy, create custom logos for businesses, or even upload your art to print-on-demand sites that will put your creations on t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You create the art once and it can sell over and over again. It's the ultimate passive income stream for the modern creative. Ready for number 3? This one is for the organized and detail-oriented folks. Become an AI-powered virtual assistant. Traditional VAs handle scheduling and emails. You'll be a supercharged VA. You'll use AI tools to automate tasks for busy entrepreneurs. Think about it. You can use AI to transcribe their meetings, summarize long reports into bullet points, draft their social media calendars, and even manage customer service inquiries with AI chatbots. You're not just saving them time, you're implementing advanced systems that make their business run smoother. You can market yourself an AI automation specialist and command higher rates because you're offering a service that is 10 times more valuable than a standard virtual assistant. Now, let's move on to our 4th method, and this one has huge potential: AI-driven affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. But most people fail because they can't create enough compelling content to drive traffic. That's where you come in with your AI secret weapon. Use AI to write product reviews, create video scripts for YouTube or TikTok, generate email marketing campaigns, and even design eye-catching ads. You can build an entire affiliate marketing funnel around a product you love, all powered by AI. The AI handles the content creation, freeing you up to focus on strategy and finding the best products to promote. It's like having a whole marketing team working for you 24/7. Okay, are you ready for the final, and perhaps the easiest, method to start making money with AI today? It's creating and selling digital products. I'm talking about ebooks, online courses, planners, and guides. In the past, creating these would take months. Now, you can have an AI help you outline an entire ebook, write the chapters, and even design the cover. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. You could create a 30-day home workout plan, use AI to generate workout ideas, write motivational content, and create a daily schedule. Package it all up in a beautifully designed PDF and sell it on your own website or a platform like Gumroad. You build it once and it generates income on autopilot. The possibilities are endless, from recipe books to business guides. Your knowledge, amplified by AI, is your next product. So there you have it, 5 realistic, powerful ways to start earning an income with AI, no coding or PhD required. The world is changing, and those who adapt will thrive. The question isn't whether AI is coming, it's what you will do with it. You have the tools, you have the roadmap. The only thing missing is your action. So let me know in the comments below, which of these AI income streams are you going to start today? Let's build the future together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to level up your life with AI.